Hello, dear friends, and welcome to Neuro School of NeuroGraphica. I'm Anastasia, and in this video, we will dive deeper into the very foundation of NeuroGraphica method, the Neuro Line, and the powerful concept of the rounding. But more than that, I want to show you how to feel the process, how to work with resistance, and why it changes everything in your drawings and in your inner world. Let's start with Neuro Line. This is not just any line. This is a line of discovery, a line that is alive. Unlike typical geometric lines, straight, circular, predictable, the Neuro Line is fluid, bionic, and unpredictable. It's a line that never repeats itself at any point in its movement. But here's the most important part. You draw it with the feeling of gentle resistance. What does it mean? It means you start moving your hand in one direction, and just before it becomes too comfortable, you change it slightly. Maybe your hand wants to go left, but you guide it gently to the right. You stay in flow, but you interrupt the habit. This slight shift, this tension between intention and action creates something powerful. You're literally training your brain to leave the old pattern behind and lay the new pathways. Because everything habitual has already brought you where you are now. If you're looking for change, if you want growth, you need a new path. The Neuro Line is your new script. Each unexpected curve is a step away from the known and towards possibility. Now let's move to the second essential concept, rounding. When two lines intercept, they create sharp corners. To your subconscious, these corners represent tension, inner conflict, the unprocessed, unresolved parts of your life. And so we soften them. We place our marker on the corner and gently draw an arc. Rounding the angle, merging the lines. It's not just a visual correction. It's a graphical resolution to inner contradictions. This act of rounding symbolizes acceptance. You're telling your psyche, I see the tension and I choose to transform it, not to ignore it. And in that moment, a connection is formed. Just like a neuron, your inner meaning begin to speak to each other. So today we explored two powerful tools, drawing a narrow line, unpredictable with gentle resistance, and rounding as a way of healing and harmonizing inner sharpness. I invite you to practice this today. Take a sheet and a marker and just begin. Let your line surprise you. And when the intersections come, don't avoid them. Round them. Resolve them with care and watch what shifts inside you.